Tally ho there, chaps. Artist Legend Gaming here, and welcome, finally, back to Just Cause 2. I'm on a beach with a taxi. Don't judge me. I'm a good driver. Where's the road? It's over here somewhere. I got lost in the woods. It doesn't appear to be much of an actual road. Now, we're gonna sneaky. Very sneaky. Explosives are sneaky, right? There's a boat there. Well, I almost fell off it. That was quite close. Too close for comfort. What the heck? He's died. Well then, can I climb ladders? No, I cannot climb ladders. I need to find a chopper. Got it. No, you're not. You're not going in anywhere. Crud. Stuck on pipes. Run away. Run away. I don't have. There's no boats here at a harbor? Aha. Nope, running away. I didn't want this. I just wanted the helicopter. Apparently that's just too much to ask for. So I'll have to order one. Black market dealer. No, I'll just order an extraction. Just ordering an extraction. Oh, come on. In the meantime, I'll just cause as much chaos as possible. More things blew up than I intended. You don't see nothing. No. Less monkey chaos. Running away. And off we go. Oh, what the heck. There we go. And out. Here's a race. But I'm not actually going to do the race. I just wanted the car. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at this, baby. Now this is a nice car. No! Already? Already? Well, at least the car still works. No, just living mission area. I don't care. I have a Porsche, I think. It's called a Titus VJ soft top, which looks like a Corvette mixed with a Porsche and an Alfa Romeo 4C. This thing has no off-roading capabilities, so screw it. Hello. Gondola boat. Hello, I will be your tour guide for today. Today we are going to be touring random stuff. No idea, not even an actual tour guide. Ooh. Snakehead T20. It's a snakehead. Yeah, look at this bad boy. No, that's the 18. Not allowed to say that. Ah! Over the hills we go, chaps. No. Why? Ah. Get off. Really? The one boat that I steal. Sorry, just needed their boat. Snakehead T20, I want it. Nope, I'm gonna be a pirate. Pull our boat up. Alright, we got a nice yacht. Get off. Making my getaway. It's actually quite a nice boat. Alright, that blimp is getting really annoying. It's called the Mile High Club, and you don't want to know what's on it. Oh, fine, I'll tell you what's on it. Put it this way, a lot of poles, and not nice things. Yeah, so we're just gonna sail over here. It's not the fastest boat. Now where are we going? Now, we're gonna head over here quickly. Alright. Approaching the shore. Actually, can I just... I can sail all the way up the coast to it. It's another little mission starter. And we'll do part of the mission, which does involve the blimp. So I'll be able to get 17.5 grand. And destroy the blimp as well. Well, not destroy it, but I want to destroy it. I want to take it over, actually, and just land it somewhere and be like, look at my blimp, I'm better than you. I have a yacht, anyways. All we need to do is put cannons in that cabin instead of windows. Put 4 cannons in there. Then it'd be awesome to be like... I'm weird. Just saying. Actually, the mast that's in the middle should be back at the end of the cabin. I still do a lot of sailing, actually, so I would know. Alright. So we can keep going right under that bridge, and we'll just dock up over there. We'll dock the Adventure there. It's called the Flying Adventure. It really is huge, that thing. It's literally a flying cruise ship. And if that doesn't work as a video name, I don't know what will. Right. Alright, we're gonna head into the shore now. I'm used to things as a landing craft, so to speak. Go, go, go. Seems legit. See, it's actually quite a nice boat. Get off. Whatever, just grappling hook my way up. There should be one of these videos coming out on the Gamers Dungeon with Tristan or Colin. Don't know which one, but... Oh, this is a Mile High Club. Ooh, cash. Cash, 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 cash. How many do I have? $4,801,000. 408. Whatever. You know how much I have. 481,000. There.
Scorpio, I've got some business for you. Way up in the sky if you're interested.
Alright, what's in the box? Pick the box.